What's up? What's up? We at the park. As you can see, daylight savings time, jazz session. Miss Niece, Miss Deli, and Miss Lopez.
Shut up.
I said, shut up, bilingual. Come on, come on.
Yeah, so what's happening right now?
We're about to sing a song.
I can't.
I don't want to
hold on. Okay. Come on. Okay, this is gonna happen. We're here at the park in Downey, California.
No, because it's dark.
Is it?
Go.
Okay, anyway, so we did a little collabo, little remix kind of thing, you know, and I kept strumming and talking at the same time, but it's okay. So yeah, we want to hit you with a little something sweet. This is for you, Finn. Psych! I'm just kidding. It's for Finn. Finn, if you see this, you know, hit us up. Hit us up. You want to do a collabo piece, you know what I'm saying? We are down. So,
give it a number. Give it a number.
Here's the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
It's dark. It don't even really see you.